Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook page. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so at the beginning the first thing we need to do, we need to go and open Facebook over here. And then whenever we open Facebook, up to the right corner we need to click on our icon over here, and then we need to change or we need to switch the account to our page account. And so we're going to click on this button to choose our page. In that case I'm going to choose this one and wait until switching. And so whenever switch, up to the right corner, we're going to click on the icon once again, and then we're going to choose the settings gear over here. And now we scroll down a little bit until we can find the option of access and control between activity log and access your information. So we click over access and control. And from here, as you can see, we have the activation and deletion. So we click on it. And here we have either the activation the page or delete the page. You can choose between them. In that case, we click on delete page to delete our page and click on continue. In here, you're going to choose the reason. I spent too much time on Facebook, I have a privacy concern, and so on. In here, after choosing the reason, click on continue. In here, before delete the Facebook page, you can download information and so on, and then choose continue to delete the page. In the last step, you're going to enter the password over here and then click on continue to delete the page. At the end, that was on today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.